Hey, welcome back to the Red Dog Ranch. Today, blueberries on tap. We're gonna plant this blueberry. I don't know if I have a lot of faith in this. We picked this up at Walmart. It's cheap, see if it'll grow. See the directions there: remove from bag, remove all packaging, wrapping material from plant. While planting hole is being prepared, soak the plant in water, blah, blah, blah. So let's put some water in this bucket down here, soak this thing, and I'm gonna get a pot together. We're gonna grow this thing in a container. See how it does. So stick around, let's see what happens. Okay, we've soaked this thing. Let me find it here to get all the dirt off of it. And that container was pretty big, and that's what we got left. That's our blueberry. So we're gonna put him in this big pot and see what happens. And we'll sink him in here, and we'll check back on him and get an update on him when he starts growing. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate if you subscribe, share this video with one other friend, and we'll see you on the next one.